Italy represented in our red corner. Frantic start to this one. As they come back together. Our youth A lightweights here. Team Wales in the blue, represented by Riley Burton Williams, taking on Marco Espieto in the red from Team Italy. Happy to chop away at the body. This will have us moving on to the next side of our bracket as well. So lots of new faces coming to the cage as he dumps Riley there. Riley trying to buck out the back door. Needs to be careful leaving that arm extended, but gets away with it. Tries to pull guard, gets there. Riley now has good wrist control. Needs to break down the posture. Marco with good forward pressure here. Nice head position. Sticking that afro in Riley's face. Body triangle from the bottom from Riley. I wouldn't say that's the right tactic here. He needs to try and get back to his feet or open up for submissions. One foot on the hip, one hips to the cage. Comes to an end of that first round. Marco must have hollow bones because the size of him, unless it's just the haircut, but looks very, very big for the weight. And we're moving to our second round. Wales represented in the blue corner, taking on Italy in the red. Good switch of stance there. And then throws to the body pretty heavy with that left kick. Marco outside with that low kick. Marco moving well, switching starts effectively. Now in southpaw. Avoiding that takedown well. Really nice side kick, spinning back fist lands to the head though, I believe accidentally. Gets that body lock. Riley pushing forward now for this takedown, gets reversed, has maybe a toss, gets taken backwards, good hips. Nice balance from Riley, but ending on the back end of this exchange. Looking at his corner as Riley as he jumps. Looking for a flying triangle here. It just got hindered, that other leg, by the hip of Marco, but great idea. I think you check with this corner. Is it okay if I do I go for it? Should I go for this flying triangle? They said yep. And now he has the arm. Needs to get those knees together. Needs to be careful here, Marco. Trying to pry the arm outside and go belly down is Riley. Doesn't have long left to do so, but displaying beautiful jiu-jitsu off his back. Gets that arm straight, belly down, switches it up. This is tight. Beautiful escape from Marco. Oh, great work to exit. That was extremely close. Had to make tiny adjustments in the moment, did Marco. But better stuff from Riley. Confidence growing on the ground. Opened up, went for that flying attack, and from there was extremely dangerous. Gives something for Marco to worry about going into this third round. And we're moving to our third and final round. This one an intriguing matchup between Riley, Barton Williams in the Welsh corner, taking on the Italian in the purple, Marco Esposito. Enters well there, gets the body lock. Strangely goes down to his knees though, and beautiful sweep from Riley there. Picks the knee and rolls. Gives up the mount though, interestingly. Now we get to see Marco on his back, see what jiu-jitsu he holds. Has a very long frame, so Riley needs to be careful. Pushes on the head, trying to throw these legs up. Controls the posture, moves to the triangle attempt. Good posture from Riley, but gets swept. Needs to be careful of that left arm he's left out. Peels the head, gets on top, tries to go to the neck, switches to a single. And finishes it as well. Long arms, attacking the neck of Riley though. Has this modified guillotine grip. Could cause problems now as he flings those legs over the top, comes to all fours, is in the anaconda choke position, rolls for it and circles round. Grabs hold of the leg too. This could be tight. Riley seems not to be bothered by it though as he comes up on top. In the full guard now as it comes to an end, third and final. Not sure how this one will go. Great performance from both, showing their talent and showing their skill. Looking forward to seeing these guys again. And this match will go in the corner of the red corner. The Italian Marco